single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all having a great day today. So today's video, I am actually going to show you all how to create a YouTube banner on your iPhone. So if you are looking to create a YouTube banner and need assistance on doing so, please continue to watch this video. And if you are watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you do enjoy this video. Let me know if it was helpful for you or if there's any other details I could have incorporated in this video to make it easier to understand. And also if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you're having difficulty uploading yours, just comment below and I'll try to help you guys out along the way. And so I had to actually screen record this, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it on my iPhone. So first I'm going to go into the Pics art app. You could download it on iTunes. I'm pretty sure it is on Android as well. I'm not sure if it costs money, but you download that app. So what I did is I actually went on Google and I looked up a bunch of photos of like California, the beach, and sunsets. So I got this. Picture. And I actually snapshotted it. So I basically snapshot everything throughout this video, and you will see what I mean later on. Alright, and after you snapshot that picture, you're going to add it onto PicsArt just like that. And then you can actually crop it any size you like. Right now the size really doesn't matter because we're going to fix the size later. Alright, so after you have uploaded your picture and you cropped it, there's many things you can do. You can actually add text, just like I'm doing. And, you know, just like write the name of your channel, or you can write, you know, what your Twitter is, what your Instagram is, or what your Snapchat is. So for this video, I'm going to write down my channel name. Alright, and what is also really cool about this app is that you guys can look up stickers. So there's an icon that says stickers, so click on that and then you can literally type in like anything you could think of. So you can type in Instagram and it'll show you a little Instagram icon, Snapchat, a Snapchat icon, basically anything, an emoji, anything that you can think of that can relate to your video. And this is also how I create my thumbnails as well. Alright, and just like that you can create your banner. So if you like the way it looks, you just snapshot it, and then I will show you the next step. Alright, so now for the next step is resizing. So you're actually going to need the app. Alright, you are going to need the app. It's called Phonto. So just open up this app and you're going to choose from your gallery, your photo gallery. Choose the photo that you snapshotted from the previous app. And then after you upload the photo onto the app, you can just snapshot it right then and there. And that's pretty much all you're gonna have to do. Alright, and then after you are done with that, you can log out of that app and then go onto the YouTube app, go onto your channel, and then it'll say upload from gallery. Choose that and then choose your most recent picture that you snapshotted. And once you do that, you can actually see the picture, and then there's gonna be a little box, so you're just gonna like pinch and hold and just measure it so that you can get a really good picture. It's okay if it looks a little far away, because actually when it uploads it's going to be more zoomed in, so you kind of want it to look more far away. Alright, then after you do that, it's going to actually load, and for me I actually got a couple times that said failed to upload, but I kept trying it the exact same way and it took me a couple more times, and then it said successfully change your background. So that is pretty much it, you guys. That is the way I create my banner. I know there's tons of other ways, tons of other techniques, and yes, I did watch videos myself, but this was actually the easiest way that I got my banner done.
Every single day